Hello dear friends, hello guys, this is KS for 3ds Max and now time to working Dragonfire VFX in 3ds Max with FumeFx plugins. So let's start. This is 3ds Max and there is model of dragon. So how to make fire VFX simulation in 3ds Max. Go to particle system and there is super spray. Press Alt W for viewport changing and press Alt W here and press Z. Draw super spray particle system into dragon mouth and press Alt W and move this into dragon mouth. And now press R for scale down like this, move it down, press E for rotation, rotate the super spray. Okay, play now. Yeah, that's good. If you move the dragon head here, here and here, so select dragon model and go to modifier and go to attach list, select all of them, attach. Okay, after this move again. Yeah, go to effect pivot only, select center to object, go back to modifier and move now. That's great. And select super spray particle system, attach or link this to model, and now rotate dragon head. Yeah, that's great. Okay, turn on auto key, go to 30 frame, it's mean 30 frame is 1 second movie, and go to 60 frame and go to 100 frame. Yeah, play now. Good. Select super spray particle system and go to load and save presets, select host presets, play. Yeah, that's great. And there is too slow. Go to particle generation, change the burn rate too much and change the speed, and there is emitter stop. .75 frame, the fire must be stopped. And now play. Need more speed like this, play. Need more speed, play now. Yeah, that's great. That is great. Oh, there is auto key is on. Turn off this one. Select, delete all keyframes, play now. Yeah, now it's good. Don't turn on the auto key during changing particle system rates. Okay, that is great. And there is another bit problem. Change it to 10 and go to basic parameters. There is about particle formation. Press Alt for slowly changing the rate. And a little bit more problem. Go to particle life, change the life and go back here, press Alt, $50, 1.1, Okay, play now. That's great. And now time to create a fire. Go to helpers, FumeFx, then create particle source and go to modifier, add super spray particle system, then go to radius. There is radius particle graph, select bizarre, too smooth. The firebird is big and end of the fire must be going to small, and there is about amount. And now change the rate 1.5. look at mouth, the fire must be this size. And now create FumeFx box. Test. Press T for top view, press R for changing scale, size, play now, change more, play now. Yeah, that's good. Okay, now go to modifier and going to FumeFx setting, go to object source, add particle FumeFx source, and then go to generation and go to spacing, change it to 0.9, and simulation, change the solver quality 10, and go to GPU viewport, display option quality must be 5, and now change the maximum iteration 120. Okay, time scale. Time scale is about firebird 1.5, and Y turbulence must be 0.4, the scale size 0.2, and there is burn rate, change to 25. Okay, going to render. Before going to render, I want to save the project. Save as fire. Save. Turn on enable GPU viewport and then simulate. This version of FumeFx, you can change the simulation rate during simulation. Like this, going to render. I don't need too much smoke. Go to smoke, change the smoke opacity 0.1, and now go to fire. There is opacity of fire. You can change the opacity fire 0.4 or more. This one is enough. I think this simulation result is good. And now time to color correction in Adobe After Effects. So change the smoke opacity down and right click on color, change keyless mode. I want the smoke color must be gray, it's mean dark, and change the smoke height threshold to 50. Okay, stop this one and go to render setup. Start from one frame. The end frame is 85. You can change it to 90 and select video size quality HD and go to file, desktop, create a new folder, name it fire, and double click here, select format for VFX movie scene. The best format is RPF, name it fire F, and select the color channel 16, and there is multi-pass channels. You can turn on the Z depth, color, transparency, and there is a alpha channel if you don't need the fire background. Turn on this one, press OK, and now before rendering press Shift F. Shift F is for save margins. Press Ctrl Alt Shift, middle mouse button for zoom in, and render now. Press render for rendering. Okay, there is a little bit problem. Super spray particle. Cancel the render, minimize it, select super spray particle, and there is viewport display, dots, ticks, meshes, particle size must be 0. That was 1, and change it to 0, and go back to render, start render again, start, wait for rendering. Now the rendering is finished. Go to After Effects, project, double click here, and fire, select the RPF 1, turn on the RPF sequence and import. Press OK, drop to composition and play now. Yeah, that's good. Create a new solid, name it background, and change the color grayscale down, and now select the footage, go to effects and presets, first right here, brightness, contrast, fit your screen, and HUE, double click here, change this one saturation, and right here Sinew converter, double click, log to log, press Ctrl for slowly change the rates, and right here glow effects, double click, yeah, that's good. Turn off this one, play now, preview. Thank you guys for watching. This was about Dragonfire in 3ds Max FumeFx. Don't forget like and subscribe the channel. After today 3ds Max tutorials 2 in my channel.